Garlic hit's not just for cooking. For centuries, this humble kitchen ingredient has been surrounded by fascinating traditions and health claims. But did you know that placing a clove of garlic under your pillow might actually improve your sleep, ward off pests, and even offer other surprising benefits? In this video, we'll explore the intriguing reasons behind this age-old practice and why you might want to give it a try. Let's dive in. Number 1. Promotes better sleep. Garlic contains sulfur compounds and a strong aroma that may have a calming effect, helping some individuals relax and improve sleep quality. Number 2. Repels insects. The pungent smell of garlic is known to repel mosquitoes and other insects, keeping your sleeping area pest-free. Number 3. Clears nasal congestion. Garlic's natural compounds, like allicin, may help clear nasal passages when inhaled, which can improve breathing during sleep. Number 4. Traditional beliefs. Many cultures believe garlic wards off negative energy or bad spirits, providing a sense of security and mental peace. Number 5. Boosts immune health. While sleeping with garlic won't directly strengthen your immune system, the act can remind people to include garlic in their diet, which is known for its antimicrobial properties. How to try this? Step 1. Take a fresh clove of garlic and slightly crush it to release its aroma. Step 2. Place it under your pillow before going to bed. Step 3. Replace it with a new clove every few days for the best results. Who knew a simple clove of garlic could offer so many potential benefits? Whether it's for better sleep, keeping pests at bay, or even just tapping into ancient traditions, this little trick might be worth a try. Have you ever placed garlic under your pillow? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.